of Jungly Pictures. 20 plus years of excellence in cinema. कई सारी blockbusters के साथ इनका नाम जुड़ा है. And every single time she's made sure कि जो भी audiences को present किया जाए, उनके हक को मान कर किया जाए कि उनको अच्छी picture, अच्छा content देखने का हक है. Give it up for Amrita Pandey. Thank you so much for doing this, Amrita, first of all. And, talking about Vishwas Rakha hai, that is what I feel. It's not quantity, it's always quality and keeping in mind the audiences.
My boss has also told me quantity pe bhi dhyan rakho, khali quality pe nahi, but yeah.
But every single time, जो भी किया है आप लोगों ने, लोगों के दिल तक पहुंचा है, cine lovers के दिल तक पहुंचा है. Talk to us about that. क्या process रहता है?
I think, first of all, I'm so grateful to Reshu and Supan for such a powerful, high-impact script. When I met Supan for the first time on something else altogether, I asked him, "Ab kya kar rahe hain?" You know, and he told me he was working on this script for like 2-3 years with the backing of Harman at Baweja, Vishal Juhi at Insomnia. And I said, "Please, unse baat karke hame bhejiye." I was like, "This we want to hear." We couldn't put it down when we started reading it. Goosebumps all the way through, so powerful, edge of the seat, and we were like, "This, though, we have to do." And it was, it's such a powerful story. We love doing films inspired by real events, strong characters. We are so fortunate to have Imran and Yami play these roles. They are so good in the film. I want to just say that, like I have to say it. Imran, you're outstanding. Thank you. Yami, I've never seen anyone in my 23 years with this level of dedication, I have to say. Whenever she stands up for things, when she believes in them, you know what I'm saying? But she's just so committed. It's just insane. You know what I'm saying? And Harman, Vishal, Juhi, thank you for, getting the film to this shape. And for us, it's very important to tell stories jo norms ko challenge kare. It's a film about gender, justice. Imran said it very well. It's about, where does a relationship, when a relationship is changing, when it's ending, it's a couple, they have a family. There are children. Where does the responsibility begin? Where does it end? What is justice? And it's so relevant in today's times. So for us, there couldn't have been a better film. Thank you, Supan, again, for doing it with us. And thank you for, Shraddha and Kalpesh to get me to meet him, honestly.
Ma'am, there's this one thing we have to talk about. अभी recent announcement हुआ है मेघना गुलजार जी के साथ दायरा. मतलब that is something.
मैं नहीं बात कर पाऊंगी उसके बारे में. मुझे वो भी डांटेंगी, ये भी डांटेंगे. But basically the film is.
नहीं सर बिल्कुल.
Focus.
नहीं.
Sorry. ये पहली बार.
Excuse me.
Sorry. That is something, of course, Jungly Pictures का एक और.
Just very excited to be doing good scripts. Honestly, the writers have written so well. The directors are here. It's just amazing, and I can see Shiba ji here. I want to say so many things, but. We'll get you on stage.
Of course, we'll get her on stage. लेकिन उससे पहले I know we have a lot of questions. So आपके कुछ सवाल लेने वाला हूँ मैं. लेकिन उससे पहले एक इस टीम के साथ पिक्चर करते हैं. Then I'll invite all the lovely people on stage. Yeah, I'll quickly take the mic. Producers, of course, we'll start with the writer साहब. रेशु नाथ जी के लिए एक बार. Okay, now we'll take the questions. Sorted? Pictures mile? Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Juhi ji. Reshu ji, thank you so much for writing this wonderful script. Asim sir, thank you so much. Shiba ma'am, thank you. Thank you for being here and of course gracing this lovely launch. We'll quickly get the chairs, yeah? Thank you, Harman sir.